That boy said this. You said this or what?
Work truck, kids. Real deal. Look, all three of us can go right here.
Don't ever say that again.
All three of us could have went to that.
Yeah, everybody would have been splattered.
They would have been splattered.
That boy just crunked the car up like it was really something. Let's see what he talking about. This is what he didn't want to drive up there. Come on, bro. But taking too long. Check him out. He think he doing something. What you think you doing something, bro? No, you can't drive. Is it clean, huh? Oh.
Don't close the door, don't close the door. Just pull it up to you and it'll close by itself.
It'll close by itself. So this how we slide.
Yes, very good.
We went and dropped the boy, I know you lying. They boy trying to open sunroof at 18 degrees outside.
Shit look good.
Boy, you don't get by. That boy took your monkey suit off.
Yeah.
It was hot.
In this bitch.
You what?
I mean business when I get in here. Get to that, boy. I ain't lying. I'm gonna get to that.
That bitch so slow.
On your mama.
So it ain't slow.
Hell no.
It ain't slow.
No.
And then we try to put it in sport mode.
No. I know what's wrong with that.
What
It's on
is
the
that?
steering wheel.
Steering wheel?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I do, bro.
Put that in my phone.
What you think you doing? Gears or something?
No, that's right here, right here. Yeah, get off my nuts, cuz. Real talk, bro.
Boy, niggas kill me, boy. So I ain't the hardest one to see. Better stop playing with me, cuz.
Man, you cool.
Who else?
You cool.
Nobody.
You cool.
Nobody.
Cool. Let me be honest with you. You cool.
A little better than this.
No, no. No, no.
Niggas been hating.
You got a sunroof?
Who?
You.
Duh.
No, you don't. You do not have a sunroof.
Who don't? How many want to bet?
Your car ain't got no sunroof. Your car do not have a sunroof. Your car ain't got no sunroof, bro.
Okay.
I remember peeling it off. That color kills that car. Oh yeah, just told.
Did part one?
Yeah.
This straight.
That's it.
That shit straight. The who? Talking about the top part right there? Right there? Yeah. That more ill hard though. Wait till when I get my when I do my rims black though, it's gonna really bring it out for real then. I could've went on ahead and got this though. Went on ahead and got my it probably would have been alright. What you mean?
You wouldn't listen to me.
Bro, you said everything you sent me was wrong. It was ugly, bro. Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
That shit would've went crazy.
Bro, no, bro.
That shit would've went.
Yeah, you had a bee shooting a bird.
That's hard.
So y'all telling me if I was to put a big bee right here on the side of my car, shooting a bird, how would it look? Come on.
You gotta show 'em, bro.
Overall, though, the boy fine, huh? He did his thing then, though. I can't lie.
This would've been hard.
Look, man, look what he said.
That would've been
Now
hard.
you ain't show me that one.
That, oh God, I did. Nigga,
Show the one, nah. Show the one. Nah, bro. The one
the hell
shooting
is
the
that?
bird, bro. The one shooting the bird, bro.
You told me to send you them, nigga. Them in our messages.
It's cold out here, though, man. We'll probably have to get out another review tomorrow or something. It's about 18 degrees. But it's fine, though. He did that. I don't see no mess ups. Oh yeah, by the way, this from You Follow Graphics, man. Y'all go tap in with the boys. Google them. But we finna get down the road. Get what? Finna dust them. Y'all, he already couldn't keep up when we just riding here. Come on, man. We couldn't record when we was at You Follow Graphics, man. It was dark. We didn't have no lights, so we had to come to the gas station. But other than that, man. You ready? You ready? Oh, he's still trying to find the picture.
That shit was hard as fuck.
Come on, bro. It's so cold out here. We're like, what is you doing? You not cold?
Should've put some clothes on.
Bro, you are 135 pounds. You
50,
said.
bitch. We get F-150, bro. Real
Yeah,
deal.
nigga, stay talking, bro.
Real deal, bro.
Day 2 of this again.
They get used to it, cuz.
What?
Me.
Y'all ain't got that, though.
Man, put your F-150 in the road, man. That was you. Get your F-150, put it in the road, man.
What?
F-150, $100 bid. $50 side bid, but
My truck versus your truck.
Yes. Okay. I'll put this right and take you to it right now. Right now.
Well, really think it's truck. We ain't here to talk about no truck,
I
though.
can't.
Huh?
I can't.
You what?
I'll beat the toe mirrors off your shit, nigga.
Yeah, the better view of it, man. Daytime. So, it did. It's hard, I can't lie. It's just a few spots that I seen. That's it. I mean, you got like fingerprints from where they was touching it, but that'll come off whenever we get it washed, you know. But other than that, man, it's hard. But we out here, man, finna go get some pics. Get some little pics with the car. Yeah, bring it out for real though, daytime. It'll be straight though when it get washed. You get all the fingerprints and everything off of it.
And then the wheels gonna pop too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wheels gonna be black, by the way. But yeah, man. Tap in with your boy.
This shit been on my mind, I've been thinking on my mind, I've been thinking. You like to ball out for no reason, ball for no reason, ball out for no reason. For the love of the money, these bitches sweet. Dog turn snake, used to throw myself, now I'm trying to get rich. Shout out Biggie Zane, wanna do what you do, but they don't live your life, they don't feel your pain. Can't walk a mile in my shoes.